Okay, so hello everyone. Today naman ay sasagot tayo ng mga katanungan nandyan sa ating comment section bago tayo matulog. Okay, so meron kasi katanungan na kung paano mag-calculate ng trainings, experience, and education. So kapag nagpapa-DepEd ranking kayo or mag-apply kayo sa DepEd, so dapat alam nyo kung paano i-compute yung inyong mga ratings or kung paano i-compute para magkaroon kayo ng points. Okay? Kasi para ma-verify ninyo kung ang computation ba ng mga ADAS na yon or ng mga nagko-compute ng inyong mga scores ay tama before kayo mag-signature. Okay, so we have here your DepEd order series of 2023 which is 00007. So ito yung pagbabasihan natin ng ating computation. Okay, so dito tayo. So first, dito muna tayo sa education. Meron kasi tayo ditong rule kung paano mag-compute. We have the applicant's educational level, which is like, for example, kung 11 ito, minus mo ng 6, okay, which is our QS level, is equal to 5 increments. And then may corresponding naman yan na points sa increments. Okay, so let's try. So like, for example, we have 11. 11 minus 6. Ayan, so dito yan. Sa 11. So, dito tayo sa 11. Like, for example, yung nakuha mong units sa master's mo, kapag nag-master's degree ka, may master's units ka, so, yun yung i-compute mo. Pero kung wala kang master's at bachelor's degree lang yung meron ka, so, automatic 0 yun. Okay, so like, for example, yung nakuha mong units is 18 units earned up to less than 21 units earned. So, therefore, 18 to 21 na units yung nakuha mo. So, that is, ilan ba? 11. So, 11 minus 6, we have 5. So, 5, hanapin natin dito sa increment natin, yung 5 sa education. So, we have here the 5. Yung 5 is a 4. So, increment 4 to 5, we have the corresponding points of 4. So, therefore, 4 points yung makukuha mo for your education. What if naman, if your education nakuha mo is 30 units. So, 30 units to up to 33 units. So, therefore, that is 15. So, 15 minus 6, we have 9. So, hanapin natin dito yung 9 sa ating increment na table. So, 9. Okay, so 8 up to 9 increments. So, therefore, magkakaroon ka ng 8 points sa iyong score for the education. Yan. Next naman, for the training naman, ang sabi dito is, ang sabi sa training is applicant's training level, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 increments. So, like for example, for the training, ayan, so, 5. Okay, like for example, yung nakuha mong or yung na training mong hours is na-kompleto mo na dapat yan ha, may certificate ka na. So 32 hours. So 32 hours which is up to less than 40 hours. So yun yung nakompleto mong hours na meron kang certificate. So therefore, that is corresponding to 5 hours. Minus 1, we have 4. So 4 increment, hanapin natin yan dito sa ating table. So 4 to 5 increments, we have 4. So therefore, 4 points na makukuha mo sa iyong points sa iyong training. Next, let's go naman tayo sa experience. So sabi sa experience, in order for you to solve is we have the applicant's experience level. We have 9 minus 1, okay, is equal to 8 increments. So therefore, hanapin natin, like for example, 9. So, for your experience, we have, dapat compute mo yung experience mo ha. We have 4 years up to less than 4 years and 6 months. So, yun yun. So, naka 4 years ka na. So, therefore, that is 9 level. 9 yung level niyan. Ayan. So, hanapin natin 9 minus 1, we have 8. So, hanapin natin sa experience yung 8. We have 8 to 9. We have 8 points na makukuha mo. Okay? Next, what about naman? Like for example, if meron kang, ayan, 2 years. 2 years and 3 months. Ayan. For example, we have 2 years. Ayan, 2 years up to less than 2 years and 6 months. So, yun yun. So, like for example, ito yung experience na nakuha mo. So, 2 years up to 2 years and 6 months. So therefore, 5 level, yung atin, 5 level minus 1, we have 4. So hanapin natin yung 4 dito. We have 4 to 5 increments, which is 4 points na makukuha mo. Okay? So ganyan na kadali kung paano mag-calculate ng iyong points for iyong education, training, and experience. So that's all for today, everyone. Kung may mga katanungan pa kayo o gustong gawa natin ng video, so please comment lang sa ating comment section para magawa natin ng video. That's all for today, everyone. Goodbye and God bless.